what to accept and what to decline. Now, lesson 3 is really, really important because what you accept is what you make, you know what I'm saying? And what you decline is what you don't make. I don't like to accept orders under $7 because I, on the average, do 3 deliveries per hour, and I at least want to make $20 an hour. So I won't accept anything, any $6 orders, any $5 orders. I don't care how far away they are. I don't care. A 10-mile order and it's for $5, decline automatically. That's obvious. 10 miles for $10. I'll accept that too, because I could do 2 of those in an hour and I can make 20 that hour. I don't really like to accept high mileage orders unless they over $10. I don't do $1 per mile, $2 per mile. It just depends on the situation, where I'm at the time that I get this order, and how much it is. Stacked orders. I love stacked orders, but they have to equal out to at least $14. I need $7 per order, regardless of how far it is, especially if they're from the same store. That's great, but they gotta be $14 when I get stacked orders, because I'm not doing 2 orders at once if it's not even $10. That's crazy, but I want 14. So in a busy hour, you get a lot of stacked orders. I love stacked orders, but they gotta be $7 a piece. Because like I said before, I won't accept anything under $7 because I want to make $20 an hour at least. And lately I've been making $30 an hour for the last 3 days if you want to check out my other videos. I don't accept orders from Walmart at all. I won't go to Walmart. I hate going to Walmart. I don't care how much money it is or how much miles it is. I would not park my car at Walmart and do that. I did a Myers order the other day just to try it for the first time. I ended up making $40 off that order, $43 off that order. But I didn't like it because it took me an hour to shop. I had to shop for this order. Yeah, they told me where everything was, but if I wanted to shop for orders, then I would do Instacart, not Doordash. I want to pick my food up and deliver it. And I want to do 3 deliveries in an hour, not 1 delivery in an hour and a half. So I don't accept orders where I have to shop, like CVS's, Rite Aids. I don't accept Walmart orders because the service is terrible. I can't never get my order right when I get in there. It always takes a while to get help at Walmart. And Walmart, they always try to throw 3 orders at you at once, pick up for 3 people, and they only giving you $12. It says they can tip afterwards up to a couple of days, but they never tip. I won't accept Walmart orders, them big store orders. I just like restaurants only. And this is a big reason why I make so much money every day. Next video coming up, I'm gonna tell you what stores are the best to accept, what times to accept them, what times they're too busy to accept. I'm gonna break it down into a science for you. Stay tuned and I'll show you the proof of how much I made today. Thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. All right, y'all. If y'all have an order from McDonald's and you're wondering, okay, it could be more, I wonder if it's more. A McDonald's order is probably not more because nobody's buying that much food from McDonald's. Best tips come from when people buy the most food. A big restaurant where somebody's ordering $100 worth of food, you might get paid more than what it said. Most of the time I do, actually. Like it might say $18 and I get 30, or it might say $10 and I get 20, 22 or something like that, because it was a big restaurant.